For what's up with the weather today, we're going to be talking a little bit about lightning and how it forms, because moving forward we are getting closer and closer to severe weather season, which means more thunderstorms. So during the spring and summer we had that warm moist air really developing all across the region, coming in from the Gulf of Mexico, and during the day that warm air rises, expands and develops into clouds, and we often call these cumulonimbus or thunderheads, whatever you prefer. And as these clouds develop and rise higher and higher in the atmosphere, water and ice crystals actually get lofted up and they collide with each other, and as they collide they create charges, negative and positive charges, electrons and protons. And as this happens, they like to situate themselves, the negative charges right along the cloud base, and the positive charges a little further up towards the anvil of the cloud, which is that little streak of high clouds that you often see removed from the thunderstorm. And as this develops, we also have positively charged protons on the ground, and a lot of times these will be in those elevated surfaces. That'll be the highest positive charge, like the top of trees, where lightning is more likely to strike. And as the storm progresses and it gets a little bit stronger, that energy from the negative charge actually meets that energy from the positive charge at the ground. Now, initially the lightning starts from the ground as a step leader and connects with that negative charge at the cloud base, and there can also be negative charges further removed, and that can actually connect with some of these positive charges a little bit further off. That's why sometimes lightning actually strikes within several miles from the storm, and that can be really deadly. In fact, as I kind of move aside here, that positive, I'm going to move backwards, here we go, that positive charge connects to the negative charge that may be on the ground, and that can be the strongest lightning, and that can actually where you can have those injuries or lightning-related fatalities. And also, as that lightning forms, it releases quite a bit of heat, and as that heat expands and rises upwards, it actually creates thunder. So when you hear lightning and thunder, that's when you need to go in. And a lot of times electrical currents, they travel easily through metal. That's why you always hear stay away from metal or tall objects during a storm. So again, that's just the best way to stay safe. Stay away from metal objects, fence posts, poles, or anything like that, because lightning can actually get as hot as 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and that can actually be hotter than the surface of the sun. So just remember, when thunder roars, goes indoors, especially as we head towards spring and summer. And that's been What's Up with the Weather.